Most men never come close to their real strength, not because they can't, but because they're training the wrong way. The men who look and move like machines, they're not doing anything extreme, no crazy programs, no secret supplements. They've just mastered a few simple movements and they do them consistently. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 powerful exercises that build real, functional strength using mostly your body weight. No gym, no complicated setup. If you're serious about getting stronger, moving better, and building a body that actually performs, hit that subscribe button now, because this is where it starts. Let's get into it. Exercise 1, pull-ups. Pull-ups are the ultimate test of upper body strength, not just because they're hard, but because they force your entire body to work as one unit. Back, biceps, core, grip, everything fires together. But most people get this wrong. They try to pull with their arms. That's the mistake. Real power comes from your lats. So before you pull, think about driving your elbows down toward your hips. That one cue changes everything. Start from a dead hang. Pack your shoulders down and back. Pull until your chin clears the bar. Then lower slowly. Don't just drop. That controlled descent is where a lot of your strength is built. If you can't do full pull-ups yet, use a resistance band or start with Australian pull-ups. Build up gradually. Even one extra rep over time is progress. Exercise 2, push-ups. Push-ups aren't basic, they're fundamental. A proper push-up trains your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once, while keeping your joints in a natural position. The biggest mistake? Elbow position. Flaring your elbows out puts unnecessary stress on your shoulders. Instead, keep them at about 45 degrees, hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Core tight, body in a straight line. Lower with control, then push back up. If needed, start with incline push-ups. As you get stronger, work toward full push-ups, then elevate your feet to increase difficulty. Simple movement, but when done right, it's incredibly powerful. Exercise 3, the Bulgarian split squat. Now for lower body strength, the Bulgarian split squat. This is one of the most effective exercises you can do for your legs. It builds single leg strength, improves balance, and fixes imbalances that lead to pain. But most people do it wrong. They turn it into a quad exercise. The real focus should be your glutes and hamstrings. To do that, step your front foot far enough forward so your shin stays relatively vertical. Lower slowly. Keep your torso upright. Lightly touch your back knee to the ground. Then drive through your front heel to come up. Start with body weight, then gradually add resistance. This one exercise alone can completely change how your lower body feels and performs. Exercise 4, overhead pressing. Strong shoulders aren't just about appearance, they're about function. Every time you reach, lift, or push something overhead, you're using this movement. But here's where people go wrong. They press with a weak core and poor posture, arching their back and pushing their head forward. Instead, brace your core, keep your ribs down, then press straight overhead with control. Whether you're using dumbbells or bands, focus on clean, controlled reps. Build this right and your shoulders will stay strong and reliable long term. Exercise 5, dips. Dips are one of the most underrated upper body exercises. They build real-world strength, pushing yourself up, lifting your body, stabilizing your shoulders. But the mistake here is going too deep. Dropping too low puts unnecessary strain on your shoulders. Instead, lower until your arms are about parallel to the ground, then push back up. Keep your shoulders stable. Control every rep. If full dips are too hard, use assistance or start with bench dips. Progress gradually. Strength comes from control, not rushing. Exercise 6, rows. Every pushing movement needs a pulling movement. If you're doing push-ups and dips without rows, you're setting yourself up for imbalances and pain. Rows strengthen your upper back, the muscles that keep your posture strong and your shoulders healthy. The key here is initiation. Don't pull with your arms. Start by pulling your shoulder blade back first. Then drive your elbow back. Pause briefly at the top, then lower with control. Whether you're using bands or dumbbells, focus on feeling your back do the work. Put all of these together and you have a complete, balanced strength system. 6 exercises. No gym, no excuses. This isn't about doing everything perfectly, it's about showing up and doing it consistently. Because the men who stay strong don't have secrets, they just refuse to stay weak. Now you've got the blueprint, so don't overthink it. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start this week, even if it's just 2 exercises, even if it's just a few reps. Progress begins the moment you take action. And if you're serious about building real strength, moving better, and staying powerful long-term, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because this is just the beginning.